The lamb is super tender. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's spicy. This is the lamb curry of kings. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got there 1 kg, that's about 2.2 pound. This is lamb leg. It's a beautiful cut. It's a really lovely lamb. What I've got there is some bone in there, a little bit of fat, but some big chunks of meat. Really delicious. Let's get moving. So I've got a pan here with maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a canola oil. You could be using any oil you want, really. We're going to start with some cumin seeds. A couple of teaspoons only. We're then going to get our beautiful lamb. Like I say, nice bit of fat there and bone. That's a nice end of leg, like shank. And this is just really lovely, beautiful cuts, chunky cuts of the meat. So we're on an above medium heat. Medium, above medium. I'm going to add salt to that. And some black pepper. And we're going to go for like 6 minutes. I'm going to be stir frying that around. I want to get some nice colour on it. So we've got some lovely colour on there. Nowhere near cooked yet. Now, fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, absolutely marvellous. If not, you can maybe get some dried ones. 2 cups of onion. 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Fresh chili to taste, that's up to you what you want to put in. And we're going to go for another 5 or so minutes, stirring really often now. Really fabulous. Okay, 2 decent sized tomatoes there. And then let's just take a look at our powders. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of chili. I'm using a Kashmiri chili if anyone's interested in that, and 2 of cumin. In that goes. But we're now going to cook this for maybe 8 minutes or so on this medium heat. What we want is those tomatoes to break down, and hopefully if you've used a nice juicy tomato, you'll get some moisture from it. Give it a stir every now and then. So look, I've got a nice lot of liquid from my tomatoes and they broke down beautifully, nice and smooth. Now if you didn't, don't worry. Listen, what we're going to do now is we're going to get a little bit more salt in there. I'm going to add some garam masala powder. Nice sort of big pinch of that, maybe a teaspoon in this. Now garam masala powder is a kind of nice mixed blend, nice finishing powder. Look at that, looks incredible. We're now going to go fresh mint. We're now going to go fresh cilantro or coriander. And then 1 cup coconut milk. Going to turn the heat down to a simmer. I'm going to let that go for 25 to 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Now, by the way, if you didn't get moisture from your tomatoes, you could just add a little bit of water to get it roughly to this consistency. Really delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. That is supreme. I mean, that really, really is good. That meat's going to be super tender. And by the way, it was a lovely cut of meat. If you were using a less quality cut, you might need to cook that a little bit longer. But that is really delicious. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. That really, I mean, I think that's super, super, super fabulous. Really loving that one. I hope you enjoyed that as well. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Aromatics, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.